Okay, now let's do chapter 3. We are on half of the week, so you guys more or less are ready to continue working on math. It is simple work, like I'm telling you. We are just remembering what we do on the class before, since we began the class, and it is just a refresher. Okay, so it's not that hard. Let's read the directions first. Mr. Thompson runs a roadside stand at the apple orchard. Use this page to solve the problems on the next 3 pages. Okay, you're not gonna do it the next 3 pages because you're gonna be answering a multiple choice. Okay, and remember, it is a multiple choice with the dollar amount. We're not gonna worry about the pounds. 5 pounds, 2 pounds, 10 pounds. Okay, we're gonna be worried about the dollar amount. Let's do the one over here. You don't have to do it like this because I'm telling you, yours is a multiple choice, and I put it a little bit easy for you so you don't have to be struggle too much. Okay, the apples, how much the apples cost? It cost $5, and the potatoes cost $4. Okay, so let's do it. You have apples and potatoes. Again, $5 and $4. So we have the customer one. She buy the apples for $4, and then she buy the potatoes for $10. So we have to add. Okay, so I'm sorry, the potatoes were $5. So what is the answer? 4 plus 5 equals 9. Yes, you're just gonna be adding. Okay, and it is, remember, it is a dollar sign because you're gonna be looking for dollar signs. So on the multiple choice, it's gonna be a dollar sign. Okay, so take care of it and do your best. Okay.